Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Trial and Error. This is now episode numero dos of my ugly ass bathroom renovation, and we're going to be packing a whole lot of crap into this bathroom. That was a pun intended there. First of which is going to be some LED accent lighting. So I have a number of spots that I wanted to add some accent lighting in RGB so you can control and pick the color you want. So what I did is just bought a couple of 16-foot runs, coils basically, of the RGB and about a 50-foot section of 4-conductor wire. And as you see, we're able to cut these things into the length that you need them and then solder them all together. We'll throw some heat shrink on there to make sure it stays nice and dry and safe. And then you can wire in low voltage wiring throughout your bathroom. So I'll let the video kind of speak for itself here. So for this area, I'm going to be making some shelving, a little bit of storage. I'm going to take advantage of the space in here, and a little spot for the toilet paper holder. We'll set it in, so hopefully that looks kind of nice. So just did some pine, hit it with the router. That's going to be kind of the top section here, and then I'm going to build a deeper section down the bottom as well. So we'll see how this goes. So for the back, I'm just going to use some of this stuff that was left over from my garage. You might recognize it from one of those videos, but it's all going to get painted anyway, so this will work out just fine. Ooh, that's tighter than a nun's habit. Now on to my least favorite home improvement task, mudding and taping, which is really kind of strange because I don't mind doing auto body work, which is essentially the same thing, but you even need to do it at a higher level. But for whatever reason, I just hate mudding and taping. Now we need to protect the TV that is going in the jacuzzi area. So the TV itself is built into the wall, but I need to do something to protect that from moisture. So I went and grabbed some 3/8 Lexan or plexiglass, and I shot down the trim aisle of Home Depot, and into the outdoor trim I grabbed some of that PVC, just basic PVC trim, so it'll handle moisture no problem whatsoever. And what basically you're doing here is making a picture frame just with no back, and we'll put the trim around the edge of the plexiglass to hide that, and then this whole thing will mount right to the tile that'll end up being in that jacuzzi area. So it's going to mount right over the screen. Obviously there'll be tile that needs to be done first, but as you can see, it doesn't distort the image at all and will protect it from water. And then with the screen off, it just looks like a black mirror. You don't really see the bezel of the TV or anything. I that's good English. Went on Amazon, I found this universal remote that's actually waterproof and it floats. So that's pretty cool. The vent that you see there is actually a vent for that TV. Just let it breathe because it's kind of trapped in there. Great sound system, put those right behind where your head is. This will all be tiled in that area. You can see the cutouts for the shampoo stuff getting ready to go. One thing you'll notice is that is all drywall, and I don't want to hear any hate from that. Wait till the next video, I'll explain to you why I do drywall in the shower area. See, you got the wall mirror there, pretty cool, and that actually is heated so it won't fog. But threw a coat of white paint on the ceiling portion of it here, and this coming weekend we're going to pick out paint for the rest of the place, and it's starting to really come together. Toilet's going to go right there with some nice mood lighting when you're dropping a deuce. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this so far. I think it's going to come out really cool. And you can see the little laundry chute is going to be there. Obviously that's going to get trimmed in. But yeah, we're moving right along. So as always, I want to thank you for watching. Please, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. And otherwise, everybody, have a great day.